Hello and welcome to my new video. I will show you how to replace your camera lens and the camera frame on your Samsung Galaxy S7. If you need the parts, tools or anything else, you can buy them directly from my video description link. This will also support my channel. So thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe, and that's it. Thank you. So as you see, there is already some different protective glass, the lens on the rear camera. This was because the focus on the camera stopped working, and the rear glass was cracked also. So I will need to replace the camera lens and the camera frame. First we need to heat up the back plate, then I need a suction cup, and then you have to really hard push it, and then use your fingernails, put a fingernail inside to make a gap. Once you have a small gap, you can use a plastic card and then you go around. But carefully, don't go too deep inside, because you can damage the NFC flex cable inside. You will see after we open it. Just carefully around. So, carefully around the corners. On some places it's going very easy, and on some places maybe a little bit less easy. Because the adhesive tape is not only around, it's also on some other places on the battery cover. There we go. Almost done. Okay. We finished to remove it. Now we're going to unscrew all the screws. They are Phillips screws. And now we remove all the plastics. Of course, to replace the camera, we need to remove the motherboard from the frame. So disconnect first the battery, and then disconnect also the front camera, all the sensors, basically all the flex cables, and on the bottom also the antenna cable. So here we disconnect the antenna cables. So now gently lift the motherboard out of the frame. Okay, as you see on the bottom there is still one flex cable connected. This is the charging port and the antennas. So just disconnect it. First, you can use help with one screwdriver or some plastic tool, whatever you like, just carefully. So I'm cleaning this new camera it's from a used phone, but they assured me it's working very well, so should be okay. We have to remove the old camera now. It's maybe better a little bit to use some heat. You use maybe 150 degree for half a minute or 1 minute, just to soften the glue. Okay, so now we connect the new camera, and before we do the final installation and assembly, we will test if the camera is working well. So let's put the motherboard inside, connect the flex cables, always work carefully, don't damage any parts. Okay, there we go. Turn on the phone. Wait, and let's see if the camera is working. So everything is working fine, the focus is working. We have a clear picture, no spots. It's okay. So once everything is connected, connect the battery, and then we put back the plastic plates. Okay, the middle one. Just be sure everything is even and aligned. Now take all screws and screw this plastic inside the frame. Okay, now I'm going to remove the old camera frame. So here you have to be really careful. Don't use more than 130 degrees, because if you will heat too much, there is plastic around the flash. So you see this? Yes. So it could melt. So don't use, I repeat, don't use more than 130 degrees, and use a safe distance. So you can use a plastic tool to lift this frame up. So I'm using here a little bit of E8000 glue for better holding of the frame, of the camera frame, as you see. Okay, press it inside the battery cover, maybe hold it for a bit, but be gentle, don't press it too hard, because you could break the rear glass, so better put it down on some even space and then press it. Again, I'm using here only 130 degree and just a little bit, so just to remove this plastic, which is for the flash, for the camera flash. So I'm doing just small corrections now to the old adhesive. I have to say here that I won't make this Galaxy S7 waterproof again, because if you want to have it waterproof again, you will need to buy genuine, original back battery cover with adhesive already mounted from Samsung. Otherwise, there is no guarantee that your phone will be waterproof. So I'm heating up this old stuff together for the old adhesive for a better holding. When it's warm, it sticks better. So I use around 150 degrees now for maybe 1 minute or 2 minutes. Okay, we remove the protective tape. Okay, let's align it to the frame, press it everywhere. Press it together. So I go everywhere around now with this cloth, just to make a perfect holding. Okay, now we remove the protective film for the camera lens glass. There is double-sided adhesive underneath. So okay, so carefully put the glass on it. Be sure there is no dirt anywhere. So that's it, just clean everything, press everything together, and you should be good to go. SIM card tray, and that's it. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you can comment below. And if this video help you, you can also donate. There is a donate link in my video description. So thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe.